So this will just solve the test paper, 2 weeks whatever we did, rational, irrational number and trigonometry, first two exercise. Let me know once you complete the first main, students. First main, first two questions. For the questions? Okay. What about Shasha? Completed. Okay, first question. They have asked us to find the square, students. You'll get such question. Find the square of certain value. When you open the bracket, this square should get multiplied with 4 square, root 5 the whole square, divided by 5 square. With all the values. How many other values are there? Next, 4 square is 16 into 5, root gets cancelled, only 5. 5 square is 25. You can write it as 5 into 5. Keep it like this so that you can reduce 1 5 and 1 5. You get 16 by 5. Convert into mixed fraction. 3 1 by 5 is the answer. You'll get 3 1 by 5. Convert all the values into mixed fraction. Okay, any number, convert. Reduce it, convert into mixed fraction. Now, how many values are there? In this question, how many values? Are there two values? So what's the formula we use? A minus b the whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Just substitute. A square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. A value is 5, b is 2 root 5. 5 into 2 root 5. 5 square is 25 plus 2 root 5 the whole square. 2 root 5 the whole square is 2 square into root 5 the whole square. So that is 4 into 5. 4 into 5 is 20. 4 5s are 20 minus. Multiply the like terms, students. 5 and 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 root 5. Here the like terms are 45 minus 20 root 5. Got the same answer? This is how you have to solve, students. So you'll get two questions. One plus and one minus question. A plus b the whole square, a minus b. This is a minus b the whole square. Okay, next question. Next question we have. Look at. X value will be given. X value x is equals to root 5 plus 2 students. We need to find the value of x plus 1 by x. Find x plus 1 by x. Sometimes they'll ask you x minus 1 by x. Sometimes they'll give x plus 1 by x. Okay, let me teach this later. First we'll find x plus 1 by x. If x value is already given, we need to find 1 by x students. 1 by x is nothing but 1 divided by root 5 plus 2. Root 5 is what? Rational number or irrational number? Irrational. How do you rationalize? You have to multiply the numerator and denominator by what? Minus sign. Root 5 minus 2. You know how to solve this question? Both of you try this question. Denominator is always a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Root 5 minus 2 as it is. What is a square minus b square, students? Root 5 the whole square minus 2 square. Write it neatly, right? What is root 5 the whole square? 5 minus 4. What is 5 minus 4, students? Root 5 minus. So we got the value 1 by x is equals to root 5 minus 2. Whenever they ask 1 by x, just take 1, students. 1. Sometimes they'll ask like this. X plus 1 by x the whole square. They'll give x minus 1 by x the whole square. Simple, just take whatever they ask. Now they have asked us x plus 1 by x the whole square. Take x plus 1 by x, that is equal to x value. X value is root 5 plus 2. Then we have plus here. Plus 1 by x is we got root 5 minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. What's the answer? 2 root 5. Here, got the same answer, both of you? Okay, 2 root 5. Next. The same question, they'll ask you to square it. What if they ask you to square? Just take the value. X plus 1 by x the whole square. So we got x plus 1 by x. Take this and square it. If you square, you'll get 4 into 5, that is 20. If they ask minus, same concept. Take minus and square it. This is the second type of question you'll get, where you have to rationalize the denominator. This method is known as rationalizing denominator. This part is rationalize. Rationalizing denominator. This method we call rationalizing denominator. Completed? Both of you done? Okay, next one, students. Try the next one. Isn't it similar? We will try this third one now, squaring it. Complete this. What about rationalizing denominator? Just now I taught. Will you all try these two questions? Okay, try. Complete it after 5 minutes. So The more you will revise, the more you'll remember. All these are important. And definitely give for exam, final exam, even for 10th, it is important. When does your school reopen, students? When is it? Any message? Oh, okay. May end. Fine. We'll try. Along with trigonometry, we'll try to complete another two chapters. So that it will become easy. Both the questions. And let me discuss students. We need to find x minus 1 by x the whole square. For that we need 1 minus x first. Value of 1 minus x, 1 minus root 2 divided by, what is a square minus b square? 1 minus 2, right? So 1 minus root 2 divided by minus 1 or plus 1? Minus 1. Okay, here you can't rewrite this as 2 minus 1, so that is wrong. Don't write as 2 minus 1. Fine, we have 1 square minus root 2 the whole square. Remember this. So 1 square minus root 2 is 1 minus 2, that is equals to minus 1. You shouldn't interchange the values. Don't write 2 minus 1. Next, the denominator shouldn't be negative. Shift this minus to the numerator. So minus in bracket 1 minus root 2. When you open the bracket, what do we get? Minus 1 plus, rearrange this. Always write the, remember, denominator shouldn't be negative. First point. Whenever you write any numbers, positive number should be in the beginning. Positive number. Root 2 minus 1 is the answer. Rearrange this, you should get root 2 minus 1. For any mathematical question, these are the two fixed concepts. Denominator shouldn't be negative. First thing. Second, if you have values like this, minus 5 plus 3 minus 2. Rearrange in such a way that positive number comes first. Plus 3 minus 5 minus 2. You have to rearrange it like this. So that is how you get root 2 minus 1. Now the question is x minus 1 by x the whole square. For this x minus 1 by x the whole square, just substitute the values. X value is 1 plus root 2. Minus is given. Put minus in bracket, you write root 2 minus 1. Whenever they give minus, write the second term in the bracket, student, so that the value changes. No, I mean, not the value, the sign changes. For plus, it doesn't matter. If at all x plus 1 by x was given, for plus, it doesn't matter. You can just write it like this. Okay, whenever there is plus given, the sign will not change. This sign will not change. It will remain as it is. This is the concept. But when there is minus, look at the concept. When there is minus 1 plus root 2, when you open the bracket, you get minus root 2. Minus into minus is plus 1 the whole square. Root 2 plus root 2 minus root 2 gets cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 2 the whole square. What's the answer you got? Is it 4? This is how you solve. Just go through once. If it is wrong, make a note. Okay, next question. Rationalize the denominator is the question, students. 10 divided by 5 plus 2 root 5. The denominator has two values. So you have to multiply this with opposite side. 5 minus 2 root 5. Same goes with the numerator as well. 5 minus 2 root 5. So don't open the bracket, just keep it as it is. 5 minus 2 root 5 as it is. Denominator a square minus b square. 5 square minus 2 root 5 the whole square. How much is 5 square, students? Yes, what did you all get? Keep the numerator as it is. Denominator 25 minus 4 into 5 is 20, right? 20. So you get 5, 5 minus 2 root 5. Then you can reduce. 5 ones are 5 twos are. What's the answer? 2 into 5 minus 2 root 5. Now open the bracket and multiply. What do you all get? 2 5s are 10 minus 2 twos are 4 root 5. This is rationalizing the denominators. Okay, next one. See, do you think they are like terms? Can we add them? Can you add 2 root 27 plus 3 root 12? No, right? So first you have to simplify, students. How do you all simplify? Do you all remember this? Take 27 and you have to factorize. 3 nines are 3 threes and 3 ones. So you have 3 into 3 into 3. How many threes can we take out? 1. So what's the answer for root 27? What's the actual value? 3 root 3. So 2 remains as it is, 3 root 3. Try this plus. Try for 12 students. 12 and this. Try that. Find the square and complete even this one. You know how to find the squares? A plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, right? Try all three questions. I'll give you a 10 minutes time. Try all three. Done? Okay. What about Andrea? Completed? Fine. What about root 12 students? What did you get for root 12? 2 into 2 into 3. You can take 2 outside, 2 root 3. So 2 root 3. And for this, as it is. So when you multiply, what is 3 to the 6 root 3 plus 6 root 3 divided by 4 root 3. Root 3 and root 3 are rational numbers. I mean, like term students. So 6 plus 6 is 12 root 3. 12 root 3 divided by 4 root 3. Root 3 gets cancelled. 4 ones are, 4 threes are. Both of you got 3 as the answer. 3. Next question. Just take a look. Okay, next question. What should I apply? A plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square? A minus b the whole square. So that is a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. 2 into root 5 into root 3. Ready? You get 5 plus. If you cancel it, you get 3 minus. Multiplication, you can multiply 5 into 3 students. So 5 plus 3 is 8 minus 2 root 15. Is this the answer you all got? That's how you start. 8 minus 2 root 15. Next question. 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 the whole square. 2 root 5 a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b students. When you open the bracket, what do you get? 4 5s are 20. Here, very good. 9 2s are 18 plus. What are the like terms here? 2 into 2 is 4. 4 3s are 12. In bracket, you can multiply 5 into 2. So 20 plus 18 is 38 plus 12 root 10 is the answer. Got the same answer? 38 plus 12 root 10 is the final answer, students. Fine. I'll tell you how to factorize this. If at all you get question like this, how do you factorize? See, take 38 and 12 students. 38 and 12. What are the common values for 38 and 12? Start from 2 times table. 2 into 19, 2 into 6. Anything else common? Anything common to them? No, right? 2 is common. In bracket, you need remainder. Remainder is nothing but divide this. How many times 2 goes in 38? What do we have? What are the remainders left? 19 plus the other remainder is 6. Just keep this root 10 as it is. This is the simplified form. You take out the remainder. So try to multiply this. You should get back the original question. You should get back the original answer. Okay. So don't write the red one. Don't write in simplified form. If you write 38 plus 12 root 10, you will get full marks. This sum you simplify and write it. 2 into 19 plus 6 root 10. Understood, both of y'all? Okay, the second test which I gave, almost similar questions. Isn't it same, similar one? This one, right? There are pending questions. This one and trigonometry question. Okay, all these are different questions. What's the time? So today I'll take 10 minutes extra, students. I'll try to complete. Take 10 minutes break. It is 7:15. Take 10 minutes break. 7:20. Sorry. Take 10 minutes break. 5:25 will come. Do you have any class? Class will be up. No, today class will be up to 5:50, 5:45. Okay, we'll continue after 10 minutes. Yes, students, shall we start the next one? Both of you online? Yeah, try this third question, rationalized question. Both of you try rationalized question. 3 divided by 4 root 7. Try that question. Both of you completed? How do you solve this, students? You have to multiply by what? 4 minus root 7. So don't open the bracket, just keep it as it is. 4 minus root 7. What is a square minus b square? What did you all get? 16 minus 7 is how much? 9. So when you divide, you get 3. What's the final answer? 4 minus root 7 divided by 3. Got the answer, both of you? Okay, next one is trigonometry questions. Trigonometry 5 cot 12. Okay, I'll teach trigonometry later. First, let us complete this. Try this question. You'll remember this one? Rationalizing denominator. And we to compare the right hand side, right? What do we multiply, students? What do you multiply this with? Take left hand side. We need to take left hand side part. What do we multiply? 2 plus root. Numerator, how does it look like? Numerator. Two values. A plus b the whole square, right? It looks like a plus b the whole square. Numerator looks like a plus b the whole square. Apply a plus b the whole square formula on numerator and denominator a square minus b square. Try this. Complete it. Trigonometry, you all can revise. Trigonometry, we have done a lot of questions. How do you solve this, students? What you'll get for a numerator? See, you don't have to write this. In exam, you don't have to write a plus b the whole square. You can straight away write the calculation part. Just for understanding, you can straight away write a plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? Okay, no, 1 minute, 1 minute. You can write it like this. 2 plus root 3 is twice, students. Write it like this. And down you can write 2 square minus root 3 the whole square. Now you can expand it. A square plus b square plus 2ab. What about the next one? 4 minus 3, right? Denominator you get 4 minus 3. 2 root 3, 2 root 3. So you get 4 plus, yes, 4 plus 3 plus 2 2s are 4 root 3 divided by 1. Just ignore 1. The answer is 7 plus 4 root 3. Both of you got 7 plus 4 root 3. Now let us compare this with the right answer. Whenever they give these type of question, it is comparison question, students. See, they're trying to compare it. So take this 4 plus 7 plus 4 root 3 is equals to a plus b root 3. Compare this. See, we have root 3 and root 3. We have plus and plus. So what is a value? A is equals to 7. And what is b? B is equals to 4. Here, understood? A is 7, B is 4. Next trigonometry. Another 10 minutes. 10 minutes will end the class. Sine, cot. Okay. Trigonometry, you all revise all this, students. You all revise. You all know Pythagoras theorem, right? Later, after this is the last question. After this, I'll explain all the basics. Trigonometry, you all revise. Tomorrow, I'll conduct test. Now, this is most important part. They'll tell you to prove that this is an irrational number. What about root 3 plus root 2? Rational or irrational? If they're irrational, I'll teach how to prove. First thing, let root 3 plus root 2 is equal to x. You have to take it as x. Whenever they ask you to prove, if they ask whether it is rational or irrational, we know it is irrational. Root 3 is not a perfect square, therefore it is irrational. If they ask us to prove, write it like this, below this. Square on both the sides. Square on both sides. So take root 3 plus root 2 the whole square is equals to x square. Use a plus b the whole square here. Root 3 the whole square plus root 2 the whole square plus 2 into root 3 into root 2 is equals to x square. 3 and square gets cancelled. 3 plus 2 plus, what's the value we have stored it? 2 root 6, right? Is equals to 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 2 root 6. Which is irrational number here? Which one is irrational? Root 6. Apart from root 6, other numbers are rational. So what you do, first shift minus plus 5 to the other side. 2 root 6 is equals to x square minus 5. First concept. Second, bring down 2. Make sure only irrational number is on the left hand side. X square minus 5 divided by 2. So left hand side we have irrational, right hand side we have rational. According to simple linear equation, whenever is equal to is given, is equal to, it should be 5 is equal to 5. This is right statement. So if I write root 3 should be equal to root 3. If I write 5 is equal to root 3, are both same? Are they same? Equal or unequal, students? They are unequal. 5 is not equal to root 3. 5 is not equal. So we need to check. Okay, we need to check. After this, we write the statement. Below this right statement, x square is, right, x square is a rational number. Then take the entire thing. X square minus 5 is a rational number. Then take the entire thing, right hand side part. X square minus 5 by 2 is a rational number. All are rational numbers. But what about left hand side? Is root 6 a rational number? Yes, but root 6 is not a rational number. It is a non-perfect square. Is an irrational number. is not a perfect square. You have to write like this. But root 6 is not a perfect square, therefore it is irrational number. Therefore, root 6 is irrational. Therefore, the entire value, student, this is the statement, 3 marks question. This is the statement you have to write. Therefore, final answer. Therefore, root 3 plus root 2 is equals to root 3 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Understood how to solve and write the statement, both of you? Okay, complete. The question is this: prove that the number is irrational. They'll give you a number and ask you to prove it. This is how you have to solve. Okay. Both of you completed? What about trigonometry table? I'll explain the concept, students. I'll explain basics. You'll go through the notes. Right? Tell me trigonometry. Trigonometry has which triangle, students? Trigonometry has right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, I'll take A, B, C. Which one is 90 degree here? Which vertex is 90? Angle B, right? Wherever two straight line meets, that is 90 degree. If B is 90 degree, which is hypotenuse, students? What is hypotenuse here? AC is hypotenuse. How do you apply Pythagoras theorem? There's only one theorem for right angle theorem. That is Pythagoras theorem. When do we apply Pythagoras theorem? When two sides are given and third side is missing, right? Third side is missing. How do you apply Pythagoras theorem for this? AC square is equal to plus BC square. For example, if AC square is 4, BC square is 3, what's the answer you get? AC square is equals to 4 square plus 3 square. What's the answer, students? 16 plus 9. Square root of 25 is 5. So what are the triplets I gave you all? You'll get 3, 4, 5 as one triplet, 6, 8, 10. No, no, 3, 4, 5. After that, for 5, what was the triplet, students? 5, 12. Very good. 5, 12, 13. Next, for 7, do you all remember? Very good. 24, 25. Correct. 7, 24, 25. What about 8, students? 8, 59, 15 and 17. 8, 15, 17. Did I give anything else? I had given for 11, right? 6, 20, 21, 29. These are the triplets you have to remember. If you apply Pythagoras theorem, these are the values you get. Most 5, 6 most used triplets. These are the triplets. Make a note or just go through this. Three, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 6, 8, 10, 7, 24, 25. 8, 15, 17 is one triplet. 20, 21, 25. So if you know triplets, you can save time using Pythagoras theorem, students. If MCQ questions, you can save your time. You don't have to solve each and everything. Okay, next. This concept is done. Now, how many trigonometry ratios do we have? How many trigonometry ratios? 6. Tell me in order, students. Tell me in order. Sine theta, cos, next, tan, cot. What's the order again? Second, cosec. Theta. Theta is just an angle, acute angle. What's the formula for sine? Very good. Cos, cos base by what? Tan is perpendicular by cot is reciprocal. Now use reciprocal relation. Left hand side arrows are for reciprocal relation. What is the reciprocal of sine? Hypotenuse by perpendicular. For sec, hypotenuse by base. Very good. For cot, it is the reciprocal of tan. Base by perpendicular. These are the different square relations. So we saw a lot of questions regarding square relations, students. Go through the notes. Okay, go through the notes. You will find all these questions. Or I think trigonometry, we have done 4 or 5 classes. If you want, you can just go through the recording once again. Next. Trigonometry table. We use the same concept for trigonometry table. Sine theta, cos, tan. Tell me, how do you do trigonometry table, students? Both of you all. What are the two things I told you all to remember? Sine, cos, and sine and tan, right? 0, 30. What are the values? 45, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Very good. 60 and 90. Just remember sine and tan. Memorize. You should memorize the exact value. What is the value for sine? 0, 1 by 2, 2, root 3 by 2, and 1. And what about tan, students? For tan 0, then 1 by root 3. This 1 remains as it is, and root 3 goes here, this way, like this. And undefined. Next, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. Last concept. Based on this, I'll give questions tomorrow. Sec, cot, sec, cosec. What is the value of cos, students. Now both of you will tell me what is cos. 1 opposite. Write the reverse. Root 3 by 2 next. 1 by 0. Now for tan it is the opposite of cot. Sorry, for cot it is the reverse of tan. What should I write? Infinite root 3 1 next 1 by root 3 and 0. Understood? Now use reciprocal relation. If you want to find sec, what is the reciprocate all the cos value, students? What is reciprocal of 1? 1. What is the reciprocal of root 3 by 2? 2 by root 3. Very good. 2 by root 3. Look here. 2 by root 3. Next, tell me reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. 1 by 2 is 2. Then you get undefined here. Undefined. Infinite. For cosec, it is just the opposite. Reverse of this, right? Infinite. 2 root 2. 2 by root 3. 1. See how easy. Within 5 minutes. Within 2 or 3 minutes, you'll be able to solve the you'll be able to do the entire trigonometry table. It hardly takes 2 minutes to do it. That's it. If you memorize sine and tan, it would take only 2 minutes. So in exam, you can just write this table and start solving the question, student. Because for most of the students, it is tough to memorize the entire value. So better write the table. Write the table, go through the question, copy the value, start solving. Is it clear? Only these are the topics we covered, right? In trigonometry so far. Any doubts? Do you all have any doubts? Whatever we did today? Okay. Tomorrow I want you all to log in at 11 o'clock, students. Do you all have any class at 11? Okay, you have class. Fine. Then I'll conduct in the evening, same time, 4:30. What about you, Shasha? Nothing? Fine. You'll practice. Revise both the chapters, whatever we have done up to yesterday. Entire rational, irrational number, and in trigonometry, first 3 exercise. A, B, C. I think D also is done, right? Exercise D. Was D completed or only up to C? D. Okay. Complete up to C, students. Attend at 4:30 tomorrow.